morning, we are going to talk about how to use ULU Regrow in the morning. As you know, there's 6 pills twice a day. Why is that? Because ULU Regrow is everything you need. Your multivitamin, your antioxidant, your immune, your support blend, your energy blend, and that's why there's 49 active ingredients. So a lot of people get confused and they think they need to take other things. You don't. It's all in here. I was doing this every morning, and that's why we created ULU. So 3 pills twice a day. Now, it's always good to have something in your tummy. Nuts, yogurt, a smoothie, and by the way, little bits of yogurt or nuts, according to Dr. Sinclair, will not break your fast, but it will avoid tummy upset. You can also get the capsules, open them up, and put them in your yogurt or your smoothie if you don't like to swallow capsules. But if you don't like to swallow capsules and you can't put them into a yogurt or smoothie, this product really is not for you. So this is ULU Ultimate Regrow. Twice a day, 3 capsules. A little bit of food in your tummy, a full glass of water to make sure that the capsules get into your tummy and dissolve. If you have any questions, let us know. We have also been providing this capsule. It holds 25 capsules of the formula. Put it in your handbag, your lunch bag, keep it in your desk, your briefcase, wherever. But that way, if you run out of the house like me, sometimes I get busy. I'm like, I didn't take my vitamins. I've got these in my handbag. This is ULU. We love you, and we hope that these tips and tricks help you grow fabulous hair and feel great.